This is the titanic force that cuts down mountains and levels the surface of continents. The ice is now entering the last stage of its descent. As it gains speed, huge crevasses open that extend down to its very core. It's reached the ocean, and millions of tons of ice have lost the support of their rocky bed. Something must give. These ice falls are an ominous sign of what is about to happen. A rupture deep within the glacier. A colossal iceberg is born. This single block of ice, many hundreds of meters across, would dwarf the biggest of mankind's buildings. Every year, tens of thousands of icebergs are spawned by Greenland's glaciers, and their number is steadily increasing as the climate continues to warm. The breakup of the bergs fills the bays of the Arctic with